Alright, Mr. B back with you again here, and this time I turned the microphone on for this recording. I just went through the last 10 minutes recording it and didn't have my microphone on. Yeah, alright. Well, that's what happens. The aging process, you gotta love it. Before I forget, Happy New Year to everybody. It's 8:52 on the East Coast, or the eastern half of the United States. So a few more hours to go. Alright, I'm going to go over some of the file, copy, print settings options on the menu. File open. Obviously, already know what that does. Just opens any other of your database. Come on, Mark. There you go. Pick a midday, evening, whatever you want. That'll open that up, and let's just go ahead and do it. Open that up and reloads. There's your new set of data in there. Exits the program. Copy grid. Copies the grid. Minus the colors. I'm still working on getting that part of it done. That takes a little bit more of an effort. But just to show you, let's clear all this out. And I'm going to paste. And I have the grid numbers separated by spaces. I can add a dash, comma, whatever kind of other separator you need. But there's the grid there if you need it in a spreadsheet. Copy play numbers. We don't have any play numbers there yet. Let's put some play numbers in there. I just put a couple is all we need. And copy the play numbers, and that's, you can paste that in a spreadsheet as well if you want, or if I put them in Notepad, wherever you need them. There they are there. Capture screen. This one I've done a couple things with this. When you capture a screen, it's going to capture the whole window. Everything you see from that border down to that border, everything in here is going to be captured, and it'll be put onto your clipboard as well as a JPEG located in the same folder where this program is located. So let's just see. Let's copy capture screen. And we have something open down here, do we not? No, we do not. Let's go over here and here's the capture right here. It's date coded, December 31st, 8:54 p.m. So let's just open that up, and we'll open it with, let's go, open in Paint. Everybody's got Paint, and there it is. You can tell by the grid selections that it's the same as we have here. It also, besides that JPEG, it also is just on the clipboard. So just click paste, and it's there as well. Same image as the JPEG. And now, if you want to capture not everything, you want to capture, say you just want to capture the grid because you're going to post it on Lottery Post or somewhere else. Just resize the window to just that grid. Copy, capture screen. Oh, by the way, Control S doesn't work yet. I'll get on that. So right now you got to actually click on the capture screen, and we will go here. Let's file, new, no, and paste, and there it is, just the grid. And the JPEG will be the exact same. File, open, and it would be this one here. And there it is as a JPEG. So you have two options of the screen capture. That's that. Print play numbers is pretty much what it says. If you have play numbers in your play area, in here, it'll print it to your printer. For now, I don't have it printing all this other mumbo jumbo. It's just going to print the actual play numbers. I can add an option if you want to add the cells and the straights and the boxes. That'll come down the road. Print grid, I'm still working on that. Little math calculations needed for that. Settings, colors, I think we've gone over that in previous versions, but for those of you who are new, this is just for changing the colors that you see down in here. Before I forget, the yellow, I need that is the grid selections. I need to fix that because that number is or that color will not change, as you'll see here. Didn't change, so I'll fix that. Not critical. Back to the colors. If you want to next draw numbers, meaning the numbers for the whatever the next drawing is. And let's go with a green. Let's go purple. Okay. And let me change this font. It's hard to see these things. It comes loaded with a default font. If ever you need to get back to the system default, just click right here. If you want to change it to something else, I find for my eyes, I go to Comic Sans MS 12 and bold. And that seems to work well for me. Back to the colors and current draw numbers. Let's go purple. Okay. And I am high. Oh, who's calling me now? Let me put that on pause. No need to call me this late. Probably a Happy New Year's wish. There's the purple. Let me unhide these so you can see the changes. Font, colors, and the current draw numbers. Let's go back to red, and they changed to red. So that's just, for whatever your preferences are. My colors, your colors, my font, your font. Nobody likes the same thing, so that's just a few little options I like to put in there for you. I think that about does it for the whole kit and caboodle. So if you have any questions, you send me a private message or put a post up on the Lottery Post website, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be putting my email address somewhere within the program. Like I'll put a help over here, and I'll put my email address in there so you can contact me that way as well. All right, thanks again, and good luck.